Greetings and salutations, dear subs, dear souls. I mentioned a while back in one of my videos that I was going to try a dental remedy and an eye remedy. Well, here's an update on the dental remedy. As you know, I'm an herbalist for 37 years. More than 37 years. Love natural medicine. It's preferable to all the toxins and all the toxic substances made in the lab called medicine. I try those first, and then I always have, as a last resort, medicines and drugs. So, I have bruxism. Bruxism is dental grinding. Bruxism. Bruxism. And the causes are, from what I understand, among others, stress and maybe need for a body cleanse, intestinal cleanse, parasite cleanse. We all have them. We all have parasites, so I think I need to do a cleanse. There are so many good ones. I've done a couple cleanses in the past. But anyway, I tried Amazing Grass. The product is called Amazing Grass. No, I don't sell it. I don't work for the company or anything. I just heard about it, someone's channel on YouTube, and decided to try it, and it works. Helps with dental pain when you have a cavity, and it really helps you with the pain. But from what I understand, it even heals cavities, which is amazing. It's called Amazing Grass, and I will tell you that it really has been working for me very well. I tried it a few weeks back, and I don't do it as I'm supposed to. I'm supposed to be more diligent with it, do it every day. And if I did, I probably would see some healing on my cavity, but at least it's not infected. It's supposed to literally heal your teeth because they're like your bones, they're made of calcium and they do repair. So I thought I would tell you that it's really working when I do it. It's excellent. And since I had a couple minutes, I thought I would update you on that. And I hope you're all having a good weekend, and I hope you all had a good Thanksgiving. God bless you all. Much love and respect for all you do in the community. Hugs, love you all. Blessings to you.